Benji?
Cooking a lot more than I should for breakfast, but I'm going to try to attempt it.
You got 5 hungry men here.
We've got some bacon going down, some eggs going down, cinnamon rolls, and some famous biscuits we're going to try to bring back. I don't know.
Oh boy.
A lot of food going on at once. Kind of hard to do. And being interviewed.
Miley, no.
Have you ever seen Canadian bacon this close?
Oh man, looks real nice.
It's the best. It's so good.
It smells real Canadian.
Intro to this video, but welcome. We are in the Mark Twain National Forest with Benji from Budget Overland, Tate from Overland Spices, and Patrick. I don't know who he's with or if he is with anybody, but I do know he has a really awesome truck that is like a dream truck of mine to have. So we're out here in the Mark Twain in the Glade top area. We're going to do some trails, and yeah, let's do it.
I think I should quit. I'm a Murphy. Anything can go wrong, it will.
No, definitely not speaking from experience.
Are you stuck? You're supposed to say yes for the video.
Yep, I'm ready to rock and roll.
Trying to get a picture of me or what's behind me.
Get a video of you chit-chatting away, asking questions.
Well guys, it's super windy, but I think we're on top of Glade top here. What a view. Things are going miserable for me. I got a broken phone and wet and cold feet. It's okay. Say that again.
Filet mignon for dinner.
What did you think of today?
It was fantastic. The weather turned out great. We didn't break too much stuff. Well, you broke stuff, but no one else did, so that's good.
It was really fun. I'm glad it worked out for you. But I'm glad the sun came out this afternoon. Last night was miserable. It was raining really cold, but I was glad today the sun came out, and it's been a beautiful afternoon, evening. Now we got a fire on a hilltop. Beautiful sunset. Killer time. It's fun. What about you? About to eat from Mr. Tate over there. Overland Spices cooking us some meals. It'll be good. Been eating Lunchables all day.
I second that. And Vienna sausages.
Vienna sausages. Breakfast was baller though.
Oh yeah.
That was good.
What's up guys, I'm Tate with Overland Spices. We had a fantastic weekend hanging out with some friends, meeting some new friends, doing a little wheeling. We're headed off trail now, but again, you can check out our spices at overlandspices.com or any social media platform at Overland Spices. Check us out, give us a follow. We'll see you next time.
Well guys, as usual, a trip has to come to an end. Great trip with Benji, Tate, and Patrick. Fun weekend. Rained on Friday, beautiful weather Saturday. Wasn't too cold, wasn't too hot. It was almost perfect. But take care of some housekeeping things. If you want to go to more EXPO, I have a code in the description below. It's Eaglesover10 for 10% off on tickets. If you want to support on Patreon, the link to that is also in the description below. And feel free to subscribe, because that's cool. And like and comment. If you comment, I respond. Just saying. Anyways, go check out Budget Overland on Facebook and YouTube. And Overland Spices, man, they're so good. I got to have some, what was it, pork chops? Some pork chops on Friday, and some kind of amazing dinner dish last night. So, yeah, see you guys in the next video.